Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This episode I will introduce main parts of the FDL double shaft mixer. Let's have a look. Come and see details. Firstly, the machine has dispersing blade, butterfly blade, according to different viscosity, density, and the product's formulations. Can choose different actuator, like the anchor type, butterfly type, and dispersing disc, single disc, double disc, and main disc. 2. Has a oil pump for lifting and down. Simple operation to make the mixer up, down, and stop. 3. Has a cover for the vacuum purpose or dust proof. 4. Fixed arm to keep the tank stable. Different clamping mode. Belt clamping, manual rotation clamping, pneumatic clamping are optional for fixing the tank to prevent any possible accident due to the tank displacement. Okay, that's all. Next episode, I will introduce more details about our machine. If you like our video, please don't forget to follow us. We are Paint and Chemical Machine.